starving right now, but I already told myself that I would make some pancakes this morning, so we're making pancakes. And those, by the way, are my favorite pancakes, okay? They're so yummy.
So let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sun.
I'm not gonna lie, they don't look as tasty as they usually do, but I bet they're still good. Okay, so every single Monday I don't have any lecture or seminar, so I just take this day to prepare for my different units. So for example, today I have to retake my notes for my poetry units. I have to retake my notes for my teaching language units. I need to send an email to my home university because I was supposed to take an English test in July before I arrived in Bristol, basically. They still haven't sent me the link and I really need to just take it. I also need to do all the preparatory work for my teaching language unit. So now we're gonna start by retaking the notes. So I'm just gonna start with my poetry. I don't know if I'm just gonna retake them on my laptop or if it's too complicated, I'm just gonna take it on my iPad because I always learn better if I had written things.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
Okay, so since I just finished this early, I'm just gonna go grocery shopping because there's a few things that I need. And while I'm at it, I'm just gonna throw my bin out. It looks like there is a corpse in it. So I just really need to take it out. Let's go and going there during lunchtime was probably my worst idea. It took me such a long time, but it's okay. So the first thing that I needed was some baking paper, my fave of course. I've never tried the barista blend from this brand, so I decided to go for it. I have a butternut squash to make some soup tonight. I also needed some kitchen foil, more bananas, I finished mine this morning, some bean bags, some frozen French fries, and some carrots for my soup. Guess who's making coffee right now just to try out a new milk? Me! And currently my food is cooking since I made pancakes this morning and this made this mess. I really don't feel like cooking right now since I'm just gonna make a soup tonight. So there's some veggie nuggets and the French fries that I just bought. So here we are, my fries and my little nuggets and my ketchup on my beloved book. And I'm just gonna watch Euphoria on my bed. I just got an Asus package delivered, so let's open it. So I just got it back because I didn't have a pretty one just to go out. I need to try them out because I got them a size bigger just to make sure. So they're really good down. You can't see, but I'm clearly walking on them right now. As you can see, they obviously are a bit too big, but I'm guessing that with my shoes it might work so I just decided to cut it. I cut that much because that way when I put shoes on now, it's just, I'm 99% sure that like the straight stuff won't come on my jeans. So now I'm freaking obsessed. I love them very much. They're extremely comfy since they're a size up. So let's make my coffee. I made it like 2 hours ago, so it's chill now. So I'm taking this mug to froth the milk because apparently it's supposed to froth super good. And I just have this little thing that I use all the time to make my matcha. So I did put a bit of milk. I don't really put a lot of milk, so let's see if it's enough. Okay, yeah, I get it now. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see. So I just added a few ice cubes in it. I'm not really used to the taste of the milk, I think. But I'm just gonna go back to my work. Right now I think I have to read some things, so usually I do that on my iPad. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. And the sun is so cute. It's such a beautiful day. Hi, so I just got told that I have a 9 AM lecture tomorrow that I was not supposed to have, so it means that I have to wake up at 7 or 7:30 tomorrow. So even though I took a shower this morning, I'm gonna take another one because I won't take one tomorrow morning. So it currently is 6:30 and I've been just chilling and reading my book. I won't lie, I really like it. The English name is Blood and Ash, but I like it. Is it a bit cliche? Yes. Do I really want to read what happens next each time? Also yes, so that's a good thing. So I just made my soup and I'm just eating it in front of this video. Basically I'm just gonna spend my entire night watching this because apparently it's super fun. And I'm here for it. So since I have to be up at 7 tomorrow, I'm just gonna go to bed super early. It's 10 right now and I'm just watching a French movie called Le Jeu, which basically is the game. Now I'm just gonna go to bed. I hope you liked this semi-productive day because I did a lot of stuff, although I did not went to uni. Bye!